In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 ways to deal with inflation. Before starting, do like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. A long-term constant rise in the cost of goods and services is known as inflation, and it has an effect on the overall financial health and the purchasing power of your money. Although managing inflation can be difficult, there are a number of tactics that can employ to lessen the effects it has on your finances. Number 10, work with a financial advisor. Dealing with inflation and safeguarding your funds can be made much easier by consulting with a financial expert. You can receive individualized advice from a financial advisor on how to invest, save, and spend your money to lessen the negative effects of inflation on your finances. Number 9, consider a fixed-rate loan. It's crucial to think about a fixed-rate loan if you need to take out a loan during an inflationary period. A fixed-rate loan is one with an interest rate that stays the same throughout its term. This indicates that your loan payment will not change even if inflation results in an increase in interest rates. Number 8, increase your income. Finding ways to improve your income is crucial because inflation might lower the value of your earnings. You can increase your income by asking for a raise, looking for jobs with greater pay, beginning a side business, buying stocks or real estate, or renting out a room or other area of your home. With careful planning and research, as well as the advice of a financial advisor, you may find the best ways to earn additional money and keep up your level of living during periods of inflation. Number 7, negotiate for better prices. During periods of inflation, haggling for lower prices can help you save money. You can negotiate for lower pricing by doing your research. By doing your research on the fair market worth of the good or service, acting professionally and politely, emphasizing your value as a client, taking into account package deals, and being prepared to walk away. Number 6, maintain a healthy emergency fund. Keeping a solid emergency fund on hand is essential when there is inflation and financial uncertainty. You won't need to use credit cards or loans if you have this cash to handle unforeseen costs like a medical emergency or a job loss. Number 5, cut unnecessary expenses. Cutting back on wasteful spending is a crucial part of combating inflation. Start by analyzing your spending patterns and determining where you might cut expenses. Consider cutting back on dining out and entertainment costs, canceling subscriptions or memberships you no longer use, or looking for more cost-effective options for regular purchases like groceries and household goods. Number 4, pay off high-interest debt. Another efficient method of combating inflation is through repaying high-interest debt. Inflationary periods, when prices are rising and the cost of living is rising, can be particularly difficult for people with high-interest debt, such as credit card debt or personal loans. Make a list of all your debts, along with their interest rates, and then priorities paying off the loans with the highest interest rates first. Number 3, invest in commodities. Another strategy for combating inflation is to invest in commodities. Agricultural items, gold, oil, and other tangible assets with inherent worth are examples of commodities, and their prices typically increase when there is inflation. You can protect yourself against inflation and possibly turn a profit if you invest in commodities, as their value may rise. However, commodity investing can be risky, and selecting the right commodities to invest in requires careful research and analysis. Number 2, buy real estate. Another strategy to combat inflation is by making real estate purchases. A physical asset with the ability to appreciate in value over time, real estate typically appreciates in value during inflationary times. By making an investment in real estate, you can protect yourself from inflation and possibly make money if the property's value rises. Real estate ownership can also be a source of rental income, which can lessen the negative effects of inflation on your budget. Number 1, invest in stocks or mutual funds. A further strategy for combating inflation is to invest in equities or mutual funds. Securities such as stocks and mutual funds, which represent ownership in specific businesses or groups of businesses, see an increase in value over time when the underlying businesses grow and prosper. Sure, it's possible for some economic sectors to perform better than others during inflationary periods, so it's crucial to diversify your assets across several businesses and asset classes to lower your risk. So what'd you think of this video? Let us know in the comment box below. Do like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates.